Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili infused oil. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality dried chilies and a neutral oil like grapeseed or canola. Next, prepare your chilies by removing the stems and seeds. This step is optional but can reduce the heat. Finally, ensure all your equipment, including jars and bowls, is completely clean and dry to prevent any moisture from affecting your oil. For the best chili oil, select dried chilies that offer a good balance of heat and flavor, like arbol or guajillo. A neutral oil is crucial, as it allows the chili flavor to shine through without competing. Grapeseed or canola oil are excellent choices. You can also enhance the oil's complexity by adding aromatics such as a few cloves of garlic or a slice of fresh ginger to the chilies before infusion. To begin the infusion, gently heat about 2 cups of your chosen oil to approximately 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It should be warm but not smoking. Carefully pour this hot oil over 1/2 cup of your prepared chilies and any additional spices in a heat-proof bowl. The oil will bubble and infuse, releasing the aromatic compounds. Let it cool completely for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to fully develop. Once your chili oil has completely cooled, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, airtight glass jar, discarding the solids. This ensures a clear, beautiful oil. Store your homemade chili oil in a cool, dark place like a pantry, where it can last for up to 3 months. It's perfect for drizzling over noodles, eggs, or pizza. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.